Today I am preparing the recipe called fish curry Nagamese recipe. So why I have given the name Nagamese? Please watch till the end. You can see I am mixing salt and turmeric with pieces of fish, and I will marinate it for at least 10 minutes. So these are 3 tomatoes, titta bilahi, ada, ginger, bay leaf, বা তেজপাত, এইটো হৈছে culantro বা মান ধনিয়া. This is ghost chili. I have to decide whether I should add this chili or not because it is very spicy. I have not decided still. It will bhut jolokia, green chili. Here is a bangas. This is bamboo shoot. My homemade bamboo shoot. This is garlic. Mustard. Here সৰিয়হৰ তেল. Here ভকুৱা মাছ বুলি ক'লো আপোনাক. For frying fish. I have given the name of this recipe is Nagamese. Why I have given this name Nagamese? You will get to know later. I will explain about it. So, ekekini telot the same oil I will use it for boiling and frying. As per this is bay leaf. So, here these are the tomatoes. I am adding it. This is bamboo shoot. Yeah, bahar gaj. I di disu etia. Olop bhaji lolo tomato. Bilahi kini. Tomatoes I have fried. After that, this is my homemade fermented bamboo shoot. So I am adding it. Let's stir. Let's put the lid for few minutes. Let's put garlic ginger paste for grinding it. Little bit of salt. Let's put this green chili, half portion of the ghost chili also. This is the half portion. I'm adding it. It would be spicy. People who do not like spicy food, they can avoid it. This ghost chili is only available in Northeast India. You cannot find it anywhere. There are some other chilies which are available first, but ghost chili, we call it bhut jolokia. It is available in Northeast India. Let's put little bit water. You can add more water. Not little bit actually, because I am going to boil it. Now put these pieces. Mas budi dilu. Let's increase the temperature. Now let's put culantro leaf now. These are culantro leaves. It is. I am using it for aroma especially. The more you boil, the more the taste. Let's take the taste. I am putting little bit of salt again. As it seems like taste of the salt is not coming. Let's put the lid again. Why I have said it Nagamese? Because 2 cultures are mixed together in the same recipe. As you can see, Assamese people fry and Naga people boil. Now it is ready, almost ready. I have boiled it for at least 20 minutes. The aroma is very strong, especially bamboo shoot aroma and the culantro leaves make the taste delicious along with tomatoes. Combination of bamboo shoot with tomatoes and Especially Assamese people use turmeric. I am not using turmeric. And Naga people also, they don't use turmeric by preparing food. So now this part is Naga part. They boil it, I am boiling it. We fried first and now we are boiling it. I am boiling it for at least 20 to 23 minutes. Now it is ready. You can see the curry is gravy. It's like gravy. As Nagamese is a creole of Assamese and Naga language, that's why I have said in Nagamese recipe. Now I believe you are clear about Nagamese recipe, why I have said it. Let's have the taste now. So now the time to taste. So as I have said that people those do not like spicy food, they should avoid this recipe. Sour, bamboo shoot aroma and the taste, because I have said more you boil the more you taste. Very tasty, spicy, as I have added ghost chili, and this is Nagamese recipe as per me. If you want this recipe to be described, then please comment, or for future recipes you just subscribe my channel. Very tasty. So for today with this recipe, let's wind up. I will make some other recipe another day. Thank you.